Makinya mbere ya kamiti iyo ya bunge iteta ria mbere ria makamishna a IEBC riuma ati kamiti iyo ndiri na hinya wa kumathurima tondu kamiti iyo ya bunge ndiumbitwo kuringana na mendekithia ma katiba.
The Constitution of the Republic of Kenya is a reflection of the supreme public interest, and its provisions must be upheld by the courts, sometimes even to the annoyance of the public.
Kuringana na IEBC, mundu o wothe ena iteta rigie IEBC agĩrĩirwo kũriruta kũrĩ bunge nĩguo rĩrũmĩrĩrwo nĩ kamiti ya watho bunge-inĩ, no ũrĩa kũrĩ kamiti ĩno ya mwanya yathondekirwo mbere ya makaya o mothe megie IEBC kũrutwo ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire.
That we are also Kenyans and we are not isolated from what's happening in the country.
Na thutha wa kamiti iyo gucemania keheri-inĩ gwa kahinda ka mathaa matano, yauga ina kihoto gya guthurima IEBC na kwoguo cikaro icio ni ciguthie na mbere.
It is on this basis the houses then resolved in accordance with articles 1, 1 and 2 of the Constitution and Rule 9 on both houses of Parliament, which relate to joint sittings, to establish this committee.
Kamiti iyo ya bunge ningi ni teterithitie ati wira wayo ti kweheria makamishna a IEBC, ikiuga ikuruta mendekithia ma anyiti itemi othe aria mekuruta mawoni mao megie IEBC kuri kamiti iyo.
The mandate of the committee is not restricted to the matter of vacation from office of the commissioners and the secretariat.
Ni ndumiriri inyitirwo mbaru ni amemba angi a kamiti iyo.
It's because we are here for this country, and we are not here necessarily. It is not a hanging. It's not a hangman's place. So that we have a process that's helpful to this country.
Na thutha wa mau mothe, IEBC yakindiriria ni ihariirie kuigana gutabania githurano kinene giukite ona thengia wa makumbi maria mamigumeire.
The commission has made a commitment to deliver free, fair and credible elections as the constitution demands.
IEBC ikauga ni igite mitaratara ya mwanya niguo gutigirira githurano kiu gigakorwo gi kiama na kihoto.
It is the resolve of the commission to ensure that the August 2017 general election is free, fair and credible.
Maina wa Wairegi, Inooro TV.